If I ask you how much time it would take to prepare all the sweet on the table, you might say 2 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours. But it is possible in just 5 minutes. Hi, this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Om Sai Cooking Classes, and I have brought you a very amazing and delicious course for you, and it's a course of Mithai Premix. So in this course, first I will show you how to prepare the premix, then how to do the packaging, and then I will show you how to prepare all the mithai using this premix. You have to just take the premix, add water or milk, mix it and cook it for 5 minutes and your mithai get ready. So let's see what are the variety of premix you are going to learn in this course. We have made Moong Dal Halwa premix. Normally when we prepare Moong Dal Halwa, it takes at least 2 to 3 hours to cook. But if you learn this premix, you can make Moong Dal Halwa in just few minutes. After that, we have prepared a Jalebi Premix. In this course, first I will show you how to make the premix. After making the premix, I will teach you packaging and then I will demonstrate how to make all the sweets using these premixes. Okay, next is Sheera Premix. When you make premix, you can use it for home purpose, or if you feel that you want to start business and build your own brand, you absolutely can, because these premixes are very easy to make. I have lakhs of students who have taken our premix courses and they are earning well from these businesses. So if in the future you want to create your own brand, go ahead. I will guide you with everything including packaging. When you buy these premixes from the market, they are quite expensive, but when you make them at home, they become very affordable. For example, take Gulab Jamun Premix. If you buy khoya from the market, then make it, the process becomes so long. But with this premix, it's so simple. Your sweet get ready in just few minutes. Like this is Sheer Khurma Premix. Just add milk, boil it, and your Sheer Khurma is ready. And just like sweet premix course, we actually have a very long list of premix courses. We have around 15 to 20 different premix courses available. You can choose whatever you want to learn. Like we have sweet premix, coffee, tea, cake premix, brownie premix, gravy, Jain gravy, Chinese, so many variety of premixes we have. So first you can collect our menu card or catalog and check all the detail and then decide which course you want to join. Not just premixes, we have more than 300 courses in total. After joining any course, you can make all the product at home and even you can start your own business. Now look at this Basundi Premix. Normally making Basundi takes about an hour, but if you prepare this premix, your Basundi get ready in just 5 minutes. So it's perfect both for business as well as for home. Okay, if you want to join this course or you want to join any other course, please check the description box. Our contact number, everything is given there. Feel free to contact us and join our any online course. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. So when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Sippy Sapna and second lucky winner is Sheetal Dhinora. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new course, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.